What's up, guys? How to do this short video tutorial series to enlighten us about commenting in JavaScript. Okay, so I'm just going to take this real quick. I'm going to take this fast as I can. Okay, so what is commenting in JavaScript? Commenting in JavaScript is a kind of way of actually not outputting stuff on the web page. Okay, we don't want this to show on the web page, neither do we want to delete it. That is what commenting really is. And it's good in case there's another developer who joined in the project, or in case in future you would come back to that project, you would understand what exactly you do at a particular point in your code. Okay, I hope that was explanatory enough. And let's just check this out. Okay, so for instance, maybe I wouldn't be needing a manual again in my code, or I'm not just sure if I would need it again. I would comment this out with a double trailing slash. Okay, so I could add some text, and if you notice vividly, the color of this text changed compared to this. Okay, so if I want to do it for something small, I would say / and if I want to do it for maybe the whole of this stuff, I'm just going to say the / an asterisk, and you see the all-tone gray color. So at a particular point where I don't want it to show, I'll put the asterisk and the /. Okay, so all of this is commented out. And if I want it to be multi-line, I'm just going to come down, leave some space here, and write defining some variables right here. Okay, so in fact, this could help us a lot in our code, and because we end up falling into a situation where you write code and you have to go back to the code 5 years later. Okay, so if you don't do this, you don't know what function is actually doing what at a particular time. Okay, something about comments is that they don't actually show on the web page. You don't see them on the web page. Okay, but though you see them in the source, but they don't run on your code page. So if I go to show in Explorer and I just double tap on the file to open this on my browser, I try to view page source, and I'll notice that I'm seeing a trailing slash on my source code. And if I try to go to the console, I'll notice that I have age is not defined because I didn't define a variable. I didn't set a value for that variable. I didn't set a value for name for age variable because I commented it out and it stopped running on my code. Okay, so this is just a really short one. I hope you learned a thing or two from it, and thanks for watching.